Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic software testing. So let's get started. What is the primary objective of scalability testing within the context of non-functional performance testing? The correct answer is option A. To determine the system's ability to handle increasing workloads by adding hardware resources. In white box testing, what does cyclomatic complexity primarily measure? The correct answer is option B. The number of linearly independent paths through a program's source code. Which of the following best describes error guessing as a testing technique? The correct answer is option C. An experience-based technique where the tester anticipates defects based on past knowledge. What is the fundamental difference between retesting and regression testing? The correct answer is option D. Retesting confirms a specific defect is fixed. Regression testing ensures new changes didn't break existing functionality. A test harness is best defined as. The correct answer is option A. A collection of software and test data configured to test a unit by simulating environment conditions. If a field accepts values from 1 to 100, which set of values represents boundary value analysis, BVA, for 2-point boundaries? The correct answer is option B, 1, 2, 99, 100. What characterizes monkey testing in software quality assurance? The correct answer is option C, providing random inputs to the system without any predefined test cases. In the V model of software development, which testing level is typically associated with the requirements analysis phase? The correct answer is option D, user acceptance testing. How is defect density calculated? The correct answer is option A, number of defects found divided by the size of the software, e.g. KLOC. Which of the following is a key characteristic of exploratory testing? The correct answer is option B. Test design and test execution are performed concurrently. What is a test stub? The correct answer is option C. A tool used to record and play back user actions. What is another common term for confirmation testing? The correct answer is option D, retesting. What is the primary goal of mutation testing? The correct answer is option A, to evaluate the quality and effectiveness of the test cases. In equivalence partitioning, what is the main idea? The correct answer is option B, dividing input data into classes where one value represents the entire class. Which quality attribute refers to the degree to which a system is operational and accessible when required for use? The correct answer is option C, availability. According to the Agile testing pyramid, which type of tests should represent the largest volume? The correct answer is option D, unit tests. Which statement best describes sanity testing? The correct answer is option A. A narrow, deep regression test focused on a specific functional area after a bug fix. What is the purpose of test data management (TDM)? The correct answer is option B. To ensure the availability of appropriate, accurate, and secure data for testing. Which of the following is a static testing technique? The correct answer is option C, conducting a formal code walkthrough. What is the main advantage of risk-based testing? The correct answer is option D. It prioritizes testing efforts on the most critical parts of the application. In a Fagan inspection, who is responsible for leading the process and ensuring the rules are followed? The correct answer is option A, the moderator. Which of the following would typically be found in test exit criteria? The correct answer is option B, a specified level of code coverage achieved. When is state transition testing most effective? The correct answer is option C, when the system can be modeled as a finite number of states with specific events triggering changes. What does use case testing focus on? The correct answer is option D, testing the business process flows and user interactions with the system. What is orthogonal array testing primarily used for? The correct answer is option A, to provide a systematic way to test combinations of variables with fewer test cases. Which field in an incident report helps in prioritizing the fix relative to the project's business goals? The correct answer is option B, severity. What is a test oracle? The correct answer is option C, a source to determine expected results to compare with the actual results of the software under test. In pairwise testing, if you have 3 parameters with 2 values each, how many test cases are typically needed to cover all pairs? The correct answer is option D, 4. Which type of performance test checks the system's behavior under a significant load over an extended period of time? The correct answer is option A, endurance soak testing. In a DevOps environment, what is the purpose of continuous testing? The correct answer is option B, to execute automated tests as part of the software delivery pipeline to obtain immediate feedback. Thank you for watching.